Ambassadeur Chique, sous-préfet, la Ligue en France, le président Adiana, le préfet de l'île Tchonolo.
Kambote, welcome if you're watching. Welcome to Kikongo class. Yes,
Yes,
Kikongo is the
Cambote.
language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Tuton de Tata David is here. He's made it very well done, Tata David.
Sorry to be so late, everyone.
No problem. Okay, we're going back to Luvila. Tata, your mic is off. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, any question, Luvila? We're going back to our slides here. Tata, any questions on?
No, no question.
No question. Okay, that's good. Tata David, Kikongo David. No
Yeah,
question.
fine. No, no questions.
Okay, what is Kikai? Tata Allen.
Grandparents.
Yeah, speaking Kikongo, try to simplify because when you say grandparents,
Oh,
grandparents is not clear.
what? I guess Nkaka is in yeah Nkaka, right?
Yeah, grandparents, you could say grandparents, but the reason I'm asking is because when you say grandparents, Kikai is only applies to one side, see? Yeah, that's
Gotcha.
why it needs to be
Yeah,
specific. Yeah.
my mother's father, my father's father, or my dad's father,
Exactly,
and my
exactly.
mother's
Yeah.
father.
Yeah, correct. Tata David
Hmm.
Kikai. What is Kikai, Tata David? Put your own spot.
Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Kikai are the grandparents of the mother's kinda.
It's the other way. Father, mother's father, and dad's father. Yes.
Oh, of dad's
Right,
father.
Tata, yeah. Clear,
Mhm.
yes. Yeah, grandfather. We our Kikai is from mom's dad and dad's dad. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, Tata, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But basically, let me try to put it. Okay, first of all, we need to go back to. Let us go back to the basics. What is Kanda? Kanda, sorry, Kanda. Darling.
Kanda is your mother's clan.
Yes, well done. Nengwa Tadiwa, what is Kikise?
Kisses your father's kanda.
Yeah, well done. Are we clear on that?
Yes.
Yes.
Mhm.
Now, let us talk about Kikai. A new formula, I mean, easy formula. Kikai basically is your maternal granddad Kanda. Yes?
Okay.
Is it clear? No?
Yes.
Oh, okay. This is even harder. Let me just try to write it down to make it easy for you. Uh, mm, Kikai is yes. Maternal, maternal, granddad, 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 and paternal granddad, granddad. And I try to display it now. Because I'm trying to find the way, I mean, to make it easy for us to understand, because it's very important. So when I say my kanda of kanda is easy, mom, kise, is my dad's Kanda. If you apply the same principle, going backward, maternal clan, dad's mom, Kanda. Yes?
Yes.
Just try to display that. I see that I'm a bit confused. Let me see.
I got it.
That's good.
Did you get a chance to talk to your siblings about this, Alain?
Yeah, we actually we did.
Oh,
Yes.
well done, Tata. Well
Good.
done, yeah.
Yeah, we had a well. There was another conversation we had yesterday, explaining to some younger family members, basically about the I guess Luvila. It's kind of hard to explain. I was getting confused myself, but
Yeah, Tata, can you see that? Yes? Is it
yeah,
clear?
uh-huh.
Tata David.
Yes.
I think if you use this language, easier, no? Easier, no? I'm speaking Portuguese. Easy to understand. But basically, when you say Kanda, my mom, this is easy to understand. My kise is my dad's Kanda. So, going backward, grand granddad's Kanda is your Kikai, yes? Yes?
Yes.
Hmm.
Granddad's Kanda is your Kikai. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Keep this in mind because we're going to something. We're moving up, high level now. We're going to talk about. Uh, I think last time we did touch on that. Let me say it quickly. We a bit of. I'm going to test you now. Okay, let me just try to put it cinema size. Yes, I'm sure you can see my screen. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay, Lulemba and Mafut are they from the same generation? Yes, they
Yeah.
are.
Yes.
Do we agree? Yes.
Yes.
What about Ndumba and Mayamba?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Ndumba, we're talking lady. Bakongo, we're lady. Just lady. Let's say Ndumba granddaughter. Yes. Why would be Ndumba granddaughter Kanda? I mean, from when I say granddaughter, we're assuming from her daughter. Is it clear? Yes.
Hmm.
Yeah.
we can we can say forever. Just keep in mind, Kanda, lady. Okay, Ndumba, granddaughter from her daughter, of course. Not from very careful. Not from her son. Yes, hmm? From daughter, her daughter. Yeah. Let's call Ndumba granddaughter Nsenga. Okay. What is the relationship between Mayamba and Ndumba granddaughter? Assuming it's the daughters.
Wait a minute. What is the relationship between my food?
Ndumba granddaughter to Mayamba. We're talking in Congo tradition, Congo context. Yes. Okay. Let me just try to simplify. What is Mayamba Kikai? Kikai's name. When I say Kikai names, I mean the Kanda
Kilungu?
of Kikai. Eh?
Kizungu.
Kilungu, yes? Tata
Mm-hmm.
Mayamba Kilungu is Kikai. So, Ndumba's granddaughter to Mayamba is Kaka, isn't she?
So she's her grandmother.
Yes. Tata David, is it?
Yeah.
Well, I think we did last time. Tata.
Well, yeah, no, that part of it I understand. I thought you actually meant Ndumba's granddaughter, like
No, I'm saying yes, Ndumba granddaughter, yes, because
yeah, Ndumba's the granddaughter. Yes,
so what is the relationship between both of
yeah,
I mean,
she's in Kaka.
Kaka, yeah, because lady, she is or there will be always be from Kinlungu, lady.
Hmm.
So to Mayamba, Ndumba's granddaughter is Kaka.
Mhm.
Yes, well done. And Mayamba's sister's daughters would be the Kikai always be Kinlungu. Any questions, that Alan, David?
Hmm.
Yes, and guess what?
Hmm.
I'm going to display soon. There's another slide there coming soon because Mayamba, Ndumba's granddaughter is Kaka. mm, To Mayamba, it doesn't matter how old is Mayamba, but Ndumba's granddaughter is Kaka. Therefore, let me just move to keep this in mind. Let me just move to the next slide. Mhm. This is typical thing. This happen in the village. This is what happens. Let's say Mayamba is 80. She's 80 years old, and Ndumba's granddaughter 15, teenager. Yes, that teenager is still Kaga to the 80 years old. Yes. Therefore,
Oh,
sorry.
okay, because I got it confused. I thought Mayamba was Kaka to
Oh, let me just go.
Lumba's granddaughter.
Mm, very important to understand this. Mayamba is not Kaga. Why are we saying Ndumba's granddaughter is Kaga to Mayamba? Darling, please.
Because uh, Ndumba's parents are also the I'm sorry. Uh, okay, so Lulemba is the parent of Mafuta. Therefore, because Lulemba is the parent of Mafuta's daughter, which is Mayamba, is the granddaughter of Ndumba. I don't know if I
Yeah.
explained that correctly, or it's
Let me try to simplify. Let, okay, Lulemba is there, but let's start from Ndumba. Ndumba granddaughter. Mm? Ndumba granddaughter is Mayamba Kaga because Ndumba granddaughter, let's call her Nsenga. Ndumba granddaughter belongs to Kinlungu clan, mm?
Hmm.
which is Kikai of Mayamba. Is it clear that Nengo tell you? No? I'm
That's
silent.
confusing. Confusing. Confusing.
Darling.
So they have the are they from the same so Ndumba's granddaughter and Mayamba
Okay,
are they from the same Kinkai?
let us go back to. See Kinlungu.
Mm-hmm.
Makiangi is from Kinlungu. Yes?
Yes.
mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah, Kinlungu. This is the Kinlungu clan.
Mm-hmm.
From here, quote and quote, sadly, Kinlungu stops here. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
From this side, seed branch, Kinlungu stops here. No, Tatana.
Yes, it does.
Why does it stop there?
Because the bloodline or the clan
Kanda?
follows the mother.
Yes, exactly. Tata Dev, yes. Mm.
Hmm.
King Lungu stops here. King Lungu because Mama Kiangi's daughter, this man married to a woman, we don't know which kind of. We know on this slide we have King Semboyala Nganga. So, but on this side, because of the lady, are you with me?
Yes.
Because of Nzumba, that's why we're saying, but Congo tradition, I mean, sorry, no offense, but this is us, but Congo, when there's no more girls, ladies, mom is sad, always sad. Well, because Kanda stops there, see? To
Okay.
From here, Kanda stop, but Kanda carry on here forever. I mean, as long as as long as ladies are born, girls are born, yes? Lulemba.
Mm.
So, Kilungu is Mayamba Kikai. Nyongo Tedio, yes? Hmm? Nyongo
Yes.
Tedio. Kilungu. Because Makiangi is a Kikai of Mayamba. Makiangi belonging to this clan, the names. Am I explaining it correctly? I mean, is it?
Yeah, basically,
Am I going
Yes.
fast? Sorry, Tata.
no. I was just gonna say it because the Mayamba's Kinkai is
Kilungu.
his Kilungu, right?
Hmm.
So that makes sense.
Yeah. Nyongo Tedio, clear? Is it clear?
Yes, it's clear.
It's Kikai, yeah, Kilungu. Therefore,
Yes.
anyone belonging to Kilungu clan is Mayamba Kaka. Yes? It doesn't matter how old they are. Are you clear? Nyongo Tedio?
Mhm.
Mm.
Mm.
Can you explain it from Dumba's side, meaning uh, because the Kinkai follows the mother's uh, dad's
Hmm. And
or
the other side. Okay,
yeah.
let's keep this side. This plan, yeah, this side, yeah. You're right. Yes.
Yeah, I'm thinking maybe that's where it's getting confusing because on Mayanga's side it's well understood because he's the basically the grandfather of Mayamba.
Yes.
So Makyangi being King Kilungu, which is the
Mhm.
Kinkai,
Mhm.
so that's understood.
Mhm. Yes. What was the question? I didn't get that. So
So I guess so on so when we're looking at the Kinkai, okay, so for example, um, if I'm looking at so Lu okay
Lulemba. Yes,
yeah
Lulemba.
so Ndumba I guess Ndumba's Kinkai is different from Mayamba's Kinkai.
Oh yeah.
So maybe that's where
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
getting
Of course.
confusing.
Because we talk about their dad.
Right.
Okay. Don't worry about that because we're going to confuse you. I see where you're coming from. Tata David, did you get that? Mm.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, because here no, we confused. But you got the same. You understand the principle. Dad's mom, yes. Dad's mom, Yogi Kai. Yes. Dad's mom, Yogi Kai. Dad's dad, Yogi Kai is there. Is it clear to darling? Mm.
Yeah, no, I understand.
Yeah, because in this case here we have Lulemba. Uh,
So it's actually mom's dad.
yeah, mom's dad. Yeah,
Yeah.
because here Lulemba Gikai will be uh, Zumba's dad, isn't it? Am
Correct.
I right? Yes.
Yep.
Zumba's dad. Yeah. Zumba's dad Kanda. So we're not going there. Otherwise, it will be confusing. But I'm glad you said that because you understand. Now, Nengo tell you, that was your question. Nengo tell you. Let me tell you, you're on mute. You're on mute. We can't hear you. Let me tell you. Yes.
Sorry, I can't hear
So,
properly. It's breaking up.
oh, sorry. So Ndumba, Mayamba, we call Ndumba Kaga. And any ladies, let's say fourth generation in the future, they will always be Kaga to Mayamba. Yes? Let me tell you, your line is not good. Are you okay? Let me tell you, correct? Ah, it's breaking.
I think we can carry on. But
Okay.
I'm getting a lot of feedback.
You understand, yes? Yes. Okay, let us move. Okay.
Yes,
But Congo
I'm getting it.
tradition. Sorry? Oh, she's gone. Okay. Tata Allen, can you read for us, please?
Sure. Matamba is announcement in case of death. Zikwa is burial, funeral.
Hmm.
Yamba is memorial service.
Yes.
Representatives of the four kanda must be present before the burial takes place.
Yes. What are the four kanda we're talking about?
Yeah, so this is what we were talking. We were kind of discussing this a little bit yesterday. So it's the it's uh who my kanda, or I guess the individual's kanda, their the kanda of the Moana, and then the Kise.
Yes, you understand that. You know that because we're talking about the kanda mom, of course. This is the main one. Then we'll talk Gise, which is kanda of that's kanda. Then we're talking okay from mom and dad kiss and mom. It's obvious that we have to take that back. Two people remaining. We have Kikai from
Yeah,
mom's
you have
side
yeah
and
Kinkai
Kikai
from
from that side.
yeah,
So
correct.
you there, Tata?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when I mean, sorry, sad situation. We know that whenever something like this happen, there won't be a barrier until all of them are around. Mm? Unless it's impossible, but because the people of village are on, they go on foot. The distance is not. They're not. It's not like you're going to a big from the big town to another a big town. So people will live around. They go on foot until all of them are around. Then you can bury. Of course, there will always be exceptional situation. Maybe it is impossible to join someone to call them to reach them, but this is it. The four Mam Kanda of the person is there, should be there. Kised of the person will be there. They both kick height, two sides, both sides. Okay, I think we should we should stop there for today. Titan, any questions?
No, I completely understand it because
Yeah, yes,
I now understand it. I mean, I've experienced it, but I just never understood.
yeah, you are right because I had same situation of my student on Saturday. I mean, Angolan, of course. Uh, there was one who was saying that I can't remember the age, but they just assume was very old. 80 years old was gone, but they was waiting for a Kikai. See, guess what? The Kikai person they were waiting for was 15 years old. Yeah. So 80 years old person gone. His grandmom or granddad is a 15 years old.
Hmm.
I had the same experience, man. We shared the same Kikai with I called her. She was 90 years old. She was my sister. In terms of Kongo people, see. So the person was gone. Then they have to bury, of course, the tradition, ritual. Of course, sadly, the other generation, people from other generation are gone. But the only people, the only Gikai was left with the person living was 15 years old. So they have to wait for him to come because his blood is from that Gikai, you see.
Mm-hmm.
He is the ambassador for for that kanda. That blood lineage. That's it. That is it. Tutondele. Any question?
No.
Oh, that's good. I'm glad that you, you understood that time. Very okay. I think next time we're moving
Hey,
ahead.
that slide, the last slide that you had up, is it can you share that one?
Okay, this one. Yeah, I'm going to show. I did share the, you know, the what do you call it?
Oh, I'll check my email.
No. I'm going to put on the drive on Google Drive, same folder.
Okay.
I'm going to post it.
All right.
That's what I did. Any questions?
No, Tutondele.
Okay, that's the Congo people. See, our ancestors, they were smart. Okay, Tutondele. Wenda Kiambote.
Sala
Sala
Kiambote.
Kiambote.
Tutondele.
Tamo aqui, aquele estresse no Maia, manda